Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video. In this video, I will backtest one of my trading strategy that generated over 7000x profit and positive results almost every single year in history. So today I will code that strategy with TradingView Buy script. Then I will share the backtest result including the pair and time frame. At the end of the video, I will also let you know how to get access the indicator for free so that you can also add the indicator on your trading chart too. Okay, now let's see how the strategy works. For the strategy, we need to use only one indicator, which is RSI. Just go to the indicator section and add the RSI indicator. So generally in RSI, we use 30 level as oversold and 70 level as overbought area. But in this strategy, we will use in a different way. Actually, on the higher time frame, the RSI detect the strong uptrend when it crossed the 70 level because most of the market is bullish on macro time frame in bull market. So for example, here the RSI crossed the 70 level, and whenever it cross, we can see it keep very nice movement to the upside like this. And same thing here, whenever it cross the 70 level, it keep the movement to the upside. But now the question is that when we will close the trade, right? So we can't detect the exact top because we don't know where it will make the exact top. So what we can do, we can simply close the trade whenever it cross the 50 level. For example, here, because sometimes it came down and again it crossed the 70 level. So if we just close whenever it crossed down here, so we miss a lot of profit right there, right? So for the safe close, we can just close the entry whenever it crossed the 50 level. Same thing here, just close the 50 level here. So still we are 30% and 13% profit, both of them. So that's how the simple strategy works. This strategy only work for long side, for the buy side. So you need to use it on the long side only. Now I will code this strategy with Pine script. Then I will let you know the backtest result and the time frame and pair, which time frame is good and which pair also working fine with this strategy. Here you can see I have already coded the full strategy with Pine script and already added the script on the chart. So if I turn on the indicator and you can see whenever it crossing the 70 level, it taking the entry, and whenever it crossing the 50 level, it just closing that entry right there, right? Same thing here. So if I go to the setting of the indicator, and you can see here the RSI period, here the entry level, it means that when you take the entry, when it cross the 70, you can change it to 60 or just whatever you want, and the exit level is 50. You can change this thing, and here the other background color and some appearance setting. Okay, so now the main thing is that if I go to the table and turn on the table, and you can see that we are right now on the Ethereum 4-hour time frame chart, and each of this year is in positive result. And also if I show you the properties setting, we are using the commission 0.075%, and here the initial capital, for example 1000, and the 100% of the equity, and we are using this setting. Okay, now let's check the backtesting result of this pair from the entire history, and here we can see almost 7000x profit here. The main thing is that you can notice that every year is profitable. And if I change the time frame like 3 hour, you can see it profit is decreasing. It's still good, not bad, and the total rate is increasing a bit. To our time frame, again it the total rate increasing, but net profit decreasing a bit. So here you can see the yearly profit also not good on the lower time frame. So in my opinion, I have tested it working best on the 4-hour time frame for Ethereum. Okay, so that's the default setting, and it works best on the 4-hour time frame. Now let's see how it works on BTC. So on the BTC, yearly profit also very good, almost every year in profit. And the strategy tester, we can see 17,000x profit, and drawdown also very less, not too much. So on the 4 hour time frame, this is the best for the BTC USD chart. So if we go the lower time frame, the trade will be increase, net profit also a little bit decrease right there. On the 2 hour time frame, it also good. The total trade increase and the next drawdown is not bad, and the net profit also nice here. And in my opinion, the 4 hour time frame also best for this BTC USD chart. As you can see, the yearly profit also very good right there. Okay, so you can use this strategy on BTC and Ethereum. Also, you can try to test on the other pair on the higher time frame, like 4 hour, 3 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, and 1 day. Okay, that was the simple strategy with solid yearly return. If you want to free access to get this indicator, just comment your TradingView username below. I will give you the access and reply once it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.